This forest is about 17 kilometers south of Mombasa, and it is an ancestral land used for cultural activities and tourism. In the south coast of Kenya, that is Tiwi on Sea. Envision had brought their first footprint on apiary construction in the coast region. Our apiary today started in a different way than most of the apiaries we have constructed before. In our previous projects, we have been using round posts down into the ground. But here we are going to demonstrate why we have used PVC as our ground stands. In this region, there are several insect species and each has its own survival tactics. Some insects are friendly to the bees by spending same time on a single flower. This tells you that nature has put power on the smallest things. But some insects here are more dangerous to the bees and other insect species. If you don't protect your hives in a safer environment, expect them to be attacked. In Africa, raised platforms started long time ago by our forefathers. Platform of sticks and mud, timber is raised 1 meter above the ground to reduce rodent attacks and moisture to their food in the store. They say history repeats itself. This is 21st century doing the same, but more advanced method of raising our apiaries to reduce bee attacks from rodents and ants. Also keeping our hive away from getting moisture from the ground. In this region, it's blessed with natural bee forage that consists of diverse native nectar and pollen-rich plants blooming from spring to fall. Flowers represent God's caring and creative nature, displaying immense variety in color, shape, and scent. The PVC we put goes to the underground. PVC generally considered highly resistant to termites because it is a synthetic, inorganic material they cannot digest from the underground. We have also considered the crouching insects that will cause damage to our bees by constructing a water trench all round the apiary. The beautiful thing here is that our apiary is surrounded with windbreakers that are also bee-friendly. By creating a common microclimate, these windbreakers improve colony health and improve honey production. The roof is to protect the direct sunlight and rains to the apiary. This keeps our hives stay longer than the ones that are exposed outside. The bees will be of more importance to pollinate our crops within the farm and the village at large. From the roof we have installed the garter to slow down the flow and splashing rain, water and direct it into the trench. We have also connected our water tap to feed the trench with pure water. Water in the trench is changed regularly after 2 weeks. The water trench has started its function of trapping the rodents. The trench will additionally provide a home for fish and a source of water for our bees. The inner section of the apiary walkway is made of timber. We have 3 levels of shelves on both sides of the walkway. But in some apiaries, we have put to levels only on both sides of the walkway. If you want apiary design plan or construction, please contact us on the number below on the description. Tiwi has an amazing beach for public swimming and private. We also took an adventure to explore and refresh our minds. Now the hives have arrived, but you must perform the following steps before installing the hives. First, open the hive and remove the top cover, the queen excluder and the super box. This process is to make sure that our hive is clean by dusting off all the corners of the brooder boxes. You can either use pine, leaves or a dry brush. Then open the entrance. Return all the frames carefully without touching the comp starters. Please subscribe and share this video to all your friends. Then install only the brooder box with the queen excluder and the top cover. Our brooders will act as catcher boxes to attract even small colonies that are looking for a tiny home. Soon, we will start bringing you apiary review from number 1 to the latest and see the great work done by both the bees and farmers. The last thing is to number your hives for proper recording. Now our apiary can carry 100 hives. In our previous episodes, we have explained why we put a chain link all round the apiary walls. Please visit our episodes to learn more. Our unique water tower apiary is now full functional with 40 hives. If you want to visit, please contact us on WhatsApp number in the description. Thank you for watching and may God bless you and your families.